At the end of 120 years, God started bringing 2 of every kind of animal to put on the ark. 2 of every kind. Now, he did bring 7 of some kind. Those were to be used for domestic animals and for sacrifice later, but at least 2 of every kind of animal was brought onto that ark. That means, right, he also brought dinosaurs to put on that ark. Now you say, wait a minute, dinosaurs? How can God put those big old dinosaurs on that ark? Well, could he? Well, let's look right here. I actually have a scale model that I have built of an ark. I also have a little stegosaurus. You guys remember Stegosaurus? He's about 25 feet long. Well, I went out and I captured a 25-foot stegosaurus. Not really, but I pretended, all right? And I shrunk him down to this size right here. I also took a 450-foot ark and I shrunk it down to the very same scale. Now my question is, okay, would that dinosaur fit on the ark? Would he? Better question probably would have been, would he have fit in the ark? Would he have fit in the ark? Yes, he would have, okay? Now, Stegosaurus was big, but he wasn't the biggest. There were some bigger out there, like a lot of kids called the long necks, Brachiosaurus, Apatosaurus. I actually have a Apatosaurus right here. This guy scales out to be 36 feet tall, from his feet to the top of his head. If you go from his nose to his tail, he's 63 feet long. Now, would he have fit on the ark? Yes, he would have. Better question, though. Would he have fit in the ark? Would he? Yes, he would have. Now, with this big, they would have had to remodel some of the floors, but even a big one like that could have made it on there. But does that mean that God had to put all the big dinosaurs on there? No. If you remember, what did we learn about dinosaurs? It looks like most of them came from eggs. They were small at one time. So all God had to do was put the younger, smaller dinosaurs on there. They wouldn't have taken up as much room. They wouldn't have needed up much food. And when they got off the ark, they would have had a longer life ahead of them, right? To reproduce their own kind as God will later instruct them. So, yeah, I believe that actually these dinosaurs could have got on the ark, no problem. Now, I want you to look very closely right here. You see those 2 little white dots right there? That's Noah and his wife standing next to the ark. Now, we drew him to be about 6 feet tall. I want you to notice something else about that ark. It only had one door. There was only one way to get on and one way to get off. So I believe, in fact, that God could have got those dinosaurs on the ark. All he had to do was put the younger, smaller ones on there.